For decades, the standard Silicon Valley playbook has operated on a simple equation. Scaling a company's revenue strictly requires scaling its human headcount. But for an early-stage solo founder, adding people introduces heavy organizational friction and overhead that can stall a project before it matures. Every new hire brings a cascade of secondary obligations. You take on payroll stress, navigate benefits administration, and redirect your limited hours toward onboarding and management. Eventually, adhering to this legacy hiring model breaks the founder. The infrastructure of managing humans takes over, leaving no time to actually build the product. You reach a point where your vision exceeds your physical capacity. The roadmap requires 100 hours of output a week, but you only have 10 hours to give. To push out new features, test new marketing channels, or close deals, the traditional math insists you bring in outside help. Yet, the slow, heavy process of recruiting and training moves at a fraction of the speed a lean enterprise requires to survive. This creates a vacuum in the market. Founders need a method to multiply their output without adding a single human to the org chart. The solution is a move away from rigid software tools towards an intelligent, agentic operating system. Historically, we relied on simple automations, scripts that followed static if this, then that rules. These are strictly linear. The moment an unexpected variable appears, like a missing data field, the entire sequence breaks. This diagram shows the structural difference. On top, the linear path shatters against an obstacle. Below it, agentic AI uses a circular logic loop to continually evaluate and adapt to barriers. As new data enters, the agent evaluates the context, queries a language model, and autonomously decides on the next logical action. If it encounters an error, it doesn't stop. It independently pivots and tests alternate routes until the goal is achieved, requiring zero human intervention. Business software has evolved from a tool that follows instructions to an entity that makes independent decisions. Instead of posting job listings for entry-level roles, you install a digital workforce. The first node in this architecture is the AI research agent. It rapidly scrapes competitor pricing, synthesizes industry news, and drops a clean summary of live market data into your database every morning. The second node is the AI content agent. Pulling from that fresh research, this agent drafts copy, formats newsletters, and schedules campaigns across all your media platforms autonomously. The final node is the AI sales agent. As engagement rolls in, this agent qualifies leads based on public profiles and executes hyper-personalized outreach emails to thousands of targets simultaneously. This interlocking triad successfully replicates the daily output of a fully staffed human marketing department, running 24 hours a day. The financial impact of this architecture becomes obvious when you examine the ledger. This chart compares monthly burn rates. The massive vertical column on the left represents 3 entry-level humans: base salaries, taxes, healthcare, and hardware. The small column on the right is the Agentic Stack. The overhead consists strictly of API tokens and a handful of software subscriptions. The margin gap revealed by these figures makes the traditional hiring route a difficult path for a lean startup to justify. The structural barrier that has historically kept small companies small is permanently shattered. In this new landscape, scaling a profitable enterprise is no longer dependent on human resources or the complexities of management psychology. Expansion is now a pure systems engineering challenge. You map the logic, build the workflow, and raise the API limits. For the first time, enterprise-level operational output is fully accessible to a single operator. Capitalizing on this requires moving away from the mindset of a traditional people manager. You operate as a system architect. You build the logic gates and scale your enterprise strictly through code and workflows. The leverage gained by directing a fleet of autonomous, tireless agents allows for a scale of production once reserved for large corporations. By designing resilient code and autonomous networks, a single architect can dominate an entire industry.